Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Jeep Cherokee. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof, as well as a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end now. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.